Cardano ADA hangs out in the crypto space with a logical improvement approach, utilizing a three-layer engineering and the energy-productive Ouroboros confirmation of stake agreement calculation. Its remarkable elements incorporate companion-evaluated improvement, a depository framework for decentralized independent direction, and a guarantee to interoperability, making Cardano a solid, eco-accommodating, and comprehensive blockchain stage. In the event that you're searching for Cardano cost expectation scores for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Cardano ADA will go from now on, we will dissect the previous costs of Cardano ADA and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. Cardano outline. Cardano is a conspicuous cryptographic money and blockchain stage known for its logical way to deal with improvement. Established by Ethereum fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson, Cardano executes a three-layer engineering to improve versatility and adaptability. Its extraordinary Ouroboros verification of stake agreement calculation empowers secure exchanges and approval through marking, offering a more energy-proficient option in contrast to customary confirmation of work frameworks. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Cardano is $702 and ADA is presently positioned #10 in the whole crypto biological system. The course supply of Cardano is 35,652,409,309 with a market cap of $16,762,380,958. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Cardano's cost has shown a decent increment of 486% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the ADA was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 316%. Cardano has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. We foresee future Cardano cost expectations are to conjecture by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Cardano. We give our all to gather greatest verifiable information for the ADA coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Cardano market cap, Cardano volume, and not many more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Cardano Value Forecast Outline. Long-haul investigation recommends that Cardano cost might actually flood to $480.14 by 2050. The negative cost expectation for Cardano ADA in 2025 is $0.8358, with a possible high of $0.05. The ongoing business sector cost of one Cardano is $14702. Cardano ADA is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $624 continuously 2030. The cost of one ADA would reach as high as $374.65 by 2040. Cardano Value Forecast 2024. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.597 in 2024. The Cardano cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $16781 with the typical exchanging cost of $66140 all through 2024. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. The cost of one Cardano is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $0.358 in 2025. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $105 with the typical cost of $665 all through 2025. ADA value conjecture for 2026. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Cardano is supposed to reach at least value worth of $122. The ADA cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.46 with the typical worth of $0.26. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2027. Cardano cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.80 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $212 with the typical estimate cost of $0.86. Cardano Value Forecast 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 2028 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $254. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $39 with the typical exchanging cost of $263. Cardano Value Forecast 2029. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at least worth of $3.57 in 2029. The Cardano cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $4.43 with a typical exchanging cost of $3.68 all through 2029. Cardano ADA Value Forecast 2030. The cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $5.57 in 2030. The Cardano cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $6.24 with the typical cost of $5.72 all through 2030. Cardano Value Conjecture 2031. Cardano cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $7.55 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the ADA cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $9.945 with the typical conjecture cost of $7.84. Cardano ADA Value Expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of ADA, in 2032 the cost of Cardano is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.86. The Cardano value worth can arrive at a limit of $13.2 with the typical exchanging worth of $11.17 in USD. Cardano Value Expectation 2033. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Cardano is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $15.81. The ADA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $18.43 with the typical exchanging cost of $15.77. Cardano Value Estimate 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and opinions is essential, however feeling can be whimsical. Looking at current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments, however taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the greatest cost of Cardano is supposed to reach $374.65, with a typical exchanging worth of $330.2. The base cost is projected to be around $313.94. ADA value figure for 2050. The reception and true use instances of a digital currency are similarly indispensable contemplations. Projects with down-to-earth applications and boundless reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Cardano cost figure for 2050, ADA is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $480.14 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of ADA coin in 2050 is supposed to be around $426.05, while the typical cost of the Cardano for 2050 is projected to be $444.66. Cardano Value Conjecture Facts. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano ADA is exchanging at $1.4702 with the market cap of $16,762,380,958,000. What is the fate of Cardano? The eventual fate of Cardano is exceptionally subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into ADA, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right technique. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an awry gamble profile. Nonetheless, still an incredible venture for